The first thing we need to do is determine the news story selection that we've chosen. Right now, I will expand my InDesign document just to skim those stories that I've chosen. This one is about the final jobs report before the election. It's 1,150 words. That's a great one to start with. The second story deals with Hong Kong, 550. Janet Reno dying at the age of 78. That's another 1,500. Let's see, two suspects in killing of two Iowa officers, 1550. So these are at great length. Community struggle with Muslims is arrival, 1200. Single mom juggles saving for retirement, 800. And let's see, veterans retiring, yoga at 400. And then I have other stories here. 600, and that's about it. Okay, great. I have chosen stories that are great length. We will need stories that are definitely more than 200 and 300. I hope you may have taken notice of the word count, but if not, if you need to get another one, you can do so if they are very soon. All right, so I will reduce my viewing here. Well, not that small. I'm going to expand the document. 50 to maybe 35. Yeah, okay. And the large story that I wanted to use dealt with the final jobs report. Let me check, because what I'm going to check now is to see if I have a photograph to support this image. You will want to do so also. We need to lead with a story. That means our primary story at the top above the fold should be a story with an accompanying photograph. So right now, I'm going to check inside of my flash drive to find those photographs and take a look. Okay, that deals with the yoga, movie, Muslims, Janet Reno, and Hong Kong. Let's see, I know the Janet Reno story was 1,500. The Muslims community was about 1,200. I think I will start with the Muslims community. Only why I will not choose the Janet Reno, because it's not that it's outdated, but it's not as current as I would like it to be. We know that maybe having taken writing for mass media or reporting, or maybe even intro to com, one of the news values is timeliness. Timeliness is a news value or a criteria of news to be evaluated in terms of what is newsworthy. So Janet Reno passing away is of importance, but the Muslim story I believe to be more timely in terms of the context here, and it is of great length also. So I will start with that image, and I'll just minimize the finder. All right, let me find that story. So just as I did, you want to determine a story again that has an image with it that you would want to lead with. All right, I'm going to expand this just a hair, and I want to see all 6 columns. And whatever is your primary story, we want to bring it up that it is the lead story here at the top. Now, right now, you can notice that this story is within 5 columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to leave our first column available and free. We will put another story here.